What's poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Danny P. First of all, we started the birthday activities. Y'all, I cannot believe I'm about to be 26. 26 and fine? The fuck? Your girl spontaneously today I spontaneously decided to get a tattoo. Yeah, I'm getting an angel tattooed on me. It's just in reference of my mom. Today is actually the anniversary of her passing. So yeah, I'm gonna get me a little angel. I might get 2 tattoos, but don't tell nobody. More festivities are coming up maybe in a couple days. I'm gonna be hanging out with my friends. We're about to do something really fun. I can't wait. So stay tuned for the shenanigans. If you are not already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You know we lit. You know we lit over here in this corner. The fuck?
It's your birthday for real?
Yeah.
October 12th?
Yeah.
Damn, that's crazy.
What?
That's my birthday.
Oh shit.
What year? Oh, okay. Oh, okay, that's crazy. That's what we getting today. Yeah, you made that look so black. I'm so happy about that. And then the butterfly, yeah, that's cute.
Oh my god.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
What?
Call the cops.
Man, I can't believe it.
Check this out.
How y'all feel out there?
Look at it, girl. It looks like it's literally flying across your back.
Destiny, where's Sir Buxela?
He doesn't need me anymore. He's gonna stay in Missouri. He'll be okay.
I'm sure he will, sweetie.
This amateur.
Currently the next day, still celebrating the birthday. Right now I am about to go to dinner with my family. Yay! We're going to this place called Spice House. It's this Caribbean place that has like Haitian food. Oh my god, it'll be so good. Yes, super excited taking you guys with me. Oh, this is the fit. I just got this corset top on with this brown skirt with a slit and this little shawl. It's on my head and it's really supposed to be on my shoulder, but I really like this look. I just think it's so modest and cute. I will see you guys when I get to the restaurant. Not the bartender gave us a drink on her.
Yeah, we fly. Oh, yeah.
Are y'all gonna be in the floor?
Is it your vlog I eat first?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you for taking my brother being a real one. Helping me with the flash.
I don't know.
No, I ain't getting no,
But I did say I don't know what
Oh my god. That looks so good.
Boy, what is this?
Hey guys, I'm about to get ready to go out with my friends. We're doing this little, it's called an ATL Peachy Roll, basically. Y'all gonna see what it is when I vlog, because I can't think of how to describe it right now. I'm excited. I feel like this is gonna be so fun. I did it before when I went to Detroit, and it was so fun. Excuse my fan in the background, y'all. My fan is so ghetto, bro. It's just crackling and shit. Yeah, we're gonna be drinking. I'm drinking rum and Red Bull. So stay tuned for the shenanigans, y'all. I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna come back when I'm all dressed and stuff, because y'all, I'm not gonna sit here and talk to y'all while I do my makeup, because it's gonna make me go slow, and I'm already kind of running a little bit behind. So talk to y'all later. Hey guys, so I know I said I was gonna show y'all the finished results of my makeup. Listen, I got caught up. I had to take pictures. Now we on the road, and I'm picking up my best friend. My best friend already with me. We need to go to the liquor store. I also need to get something to eat, because I did not eat, and I also need to get a cup. I got so much to do. So hopefully we make a good timing, because baby, but it's okay. I'm not worried, because when you worry, that's when you start stressing. I'm not gonna start stressing. It's my birthday, almost. Say yo.
Yo, hold on.
Yeah. Hey yo. What's up? We here. ATL Peachy Roll. Say yo. Yo.
One area has more bars. Well, all of them got bars, so you can just choose which bars you want to go to. Hold on at all times. Check your pockets for phones, keys, anything. Make sure you don't lose anything. If you got any requests, I'm going to pass out some paper, but we'll get started with a few songs. If you got any requests, just shout them to me, and I'll throw them on as soon as I can. By the way, I'm deep, so yeah, that's it. We got 40 and 27, so.
Yes, happy birthday! 26 too. 26. They ask me what I do and who I do it for.
And I come up with this shit up in the studio. All I want for my birthday is a big booty girl. All I want for my birthday is a big booty girl. When I die, bury me inside the Gucci style.
Yes, sir. Shot. Oh, me?
Yeah, it's your birthday.
Yes, sir. You know what it is. Danny Dog. Yeah.
Go after this. Yeah. It probably be here probably.
That's so smooth, bro. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir. You a pro now. I'm proud of you. Yeah.
I was,
just left pound town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dig a bitch down.
This that shit.
If you see me, you tryna see what's up. This fucking bang got a stupid butt.
Fucking hold it up. Yeah. Yo, we all left up. How you start? You gotta press. Yeah. I can't even have how we do it? Hurry up. Okay, I'm gonna do the apple paper.
I got you. You gotta put your head in there, so.
Okay. One moment. Don't cover the Have a great day. You okay?
You better hurry up, it should be lagging. I ain't gonna be in there.
Yeah. What's going on? Oh my God.
I'm dead.
I wasn't paying attention.
It's hot as hell in there.
Yeah. Drunk memories. Second round. We do this. You know what it is. You know how we do. Yeah.
We from run for the diamond test for the
trabajo por mi canto. Mía pilla todo.
Ayo, tanto yo, adiligo